two standout design platforms. One, big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Canva. Design anything, anywhere, instantly. And on the right, Sketch. Powerful vector design made for macOS. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
All right, here's our roadmap. We're going to look at price, platform, and accessibility, features and design tools, collaboration, learning curve, and user-friendliness, and finally, use case and specialization. Each of these is super important, depending on, well, what you actually need. First up, price. Canva, honestly, kind of awesome here. You get a whole free tier with loads of stuff, and if you want to go pro, it's, what, $9.99 a month if you bill yearly? Not bad. Sure, the fancy features are locked behind pro, but for a lot of people, free is plenty. Sketch, though, starts at $9 per user each month, so the costs can add up, and there's no free version at all. Oh, and you gotta be on a Mac, which, let's face it, isn't exactly entry-level. So, for price, Canva totally takes the win. Easy. Next, platform and accessibility. Canva has this, magical web thing going. Works anywhere, any device. Laptop, phone, Android, iOS, whatever. You can make a design on your lunch break, then tweak it on your phone. The only catch? Sometimes the internet can slow you down. Now, Sketch, it's snappy as heck if you own a Mac. It's basically Apple only. So, sorry Windows peeps, you're out of luck. Canva's accessibility blows Sketch out of the water here, if I'm being real. Now, features and design tools. Canva is like the buffet of templates. You get literally hundreds of thousands to play with. They've got AI features, magic design, magic write, even video and print stuff. But if you're a vector nerd, Canva's editing features just don't cut it for those really custom tweaks. Sketch comes in hot with next-level vector editing, advanced prototyping tools, plugins, all the things pros love. But it's not really for beginners or someone who just wants to whip up a poster. Both have their thing going, right? Honestly, this category is a tie. Each is super strong, just in totally different ways. Oh, and here's something cool. Canva is absolutely huge, with over 170 million monthly users. On the flip, Sketch is basically legendary among Mac-based UI designers. Kind of wild how both dominate their own corners, right? Let's talk collaboration. Canva is designed for teams with real-time editing, comments, and you can literally share links for feedback in 2 seconds. Sometimes big, crazy designs might slow things down a bit, but most teams won't notice. Sketch has collaborative workspaces too, and awesome versioning, but everyone's got to be on Mac. If your group's mixed, that's a deal breaker. So yeah, Canva is the clear pick for collab. On to learning curve and user-friendliness. Canva is perfect if you want drag-and-drop, extremely easy onboarding. It's kinda made for beginners who want to get going fast. Maybe if you go super deep, you'll wish for more, but most folks won't notice. Sketch, on the other hand, is built for pros, and it can be pretty overwhelming if you're new. Not really plug and play, unless you eat vector files for breakfast. So Canva's just way friendlier for 99% of users. Last major one, use case and specialization. Canva is your one-stop shop for cranking out social media, marketing stuff, presentations, you name it. But don't even think about UI, UX, or app design here. Sketch is like the tool for product designers. UI, websites, vectors, prototyping, all that advanced workflow magic. But if you want to make posters or social content, not really Sketch's thing. For true specialization, Sketch pulls ahead. That's the winner here. Just picture the scores. Canva's crushing it on price, accessibility, collaboration, and ease of use. Sketch, off the charts for pro design, features, and specialization. So, depending on what you care about, the chart tells a pretty clear story. So, my honest take? Go Canva if you want instant access, templates, and easy marketing or social content. It's just friendly, everywhere, and gets the job done for like 90% of people. But if you're all about professional UI UX, pixel-perfect vectors, and you live on a Mac, Sketch is a powerhouse. Just be ready for a bit of a learning curve. Did this help you figure out which design tool is your jam? If so, bookmark for later, or shoot this over to the rest of your creative crew. Your future designs will thank you.